Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. In this video, I am going to reveal an excellent certification which will give you easily the Grad IOSH membership. Basically, it is not a certification, it is a diploma. Yes, it is a diploma. Autumn Level 6 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety. The Level 6 qualification in Occupational Health and Safety are developed to provide learners who have or looking to develop into a senior role in an organization with responsibilities for managing health and safety. Students successfully completing this certification will be eligible to apply for graduate level of membership Grad IOSH. Importantly, Autumn has progression arrangement with several UK universities that acknowledge the ability of learners after studying level 3 to level 7 qualifications to be considered for advanced entry into corresponding degree year or master's top-up programs. Autumn qualifications at RQF level 6 represent practical knowledge, skills, capabilities and competencies that are assessed in academic terms as being equivalent level to bachelor's degree with honors. If we talk about the qualification structure, the Autumn Level 6 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety consists of 7 mandatory units for a combined total credit hours of 60 for the completed qualification. If you have relevant NQF, QCF, RQF certificate or diploma, or if you have qualifications that fulfill the requirements include British Safety Council Level 3 Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety or NCFE IOSH Level 3 Certificate in Safety and Health for Business, NIBOSH International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety, any Level 3 Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety, or if you are a mature learner having 2 years industry experience, or a learner must be 18 years old or eligible for this diploma course. English requirement is mandatory. You have to prove your English skills. Grad IOSH membership. Individuals who achieve the qualification will be eligible to apply for graduate level of membership Grad IOSH. Those eligible for graduate membership can then undertake a period of initial professional development which will require students to provide evidence of their practice skills in a skills development portfolio. This diploma course is a big opportunities for learners to pass. Centers are responsible for managing learners who have not achieved a pass for the qualification having completed the assessment. However, Autumn expects at a minimum that centers must have in place a clear feedback mechanism to learners. Recognition to prior learning and achievement. Yes, Level 6 Diploma allows recognition of prior learning. Recognition of prior learning is a method of assessment that considers whether learners can demonstrate that they can meet the assessment requirements for a unit through knowledge, understanding or skills they already possess and do not need to develop through a course of learning. In simple words, that course will be skipped. If we talk about the examination structure of this diploma, so Autumn Level 6 Diploma is comprised of assignment based. You have to submit 7 assignments because it has 7 units. For each unit, you have to submit assignment. The Autumn Level 6 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety is available at skill2get.com at a very minimal charges. So I would recommend everybody to gain this diploma at a very minimal charges from skill2get.com. Thank you.